Is there anybody there? Wow! Paintball!
What's that?
It's an awesome game where we all have to shoot each other with paint. It's so cool. You hear that? It's coming from Corley's room. Hey, Coco, what's wrong?
Freddy! My Freddy! He's playing paintball with Jennifer!
Yeah, that's terrible. But why isn't your Freddy going with you?
I can't! The paint harms the trees! So he invited Jennifer! She's gonna steal my Freddy!
We have to do something. Great idea, Ernest. We're off to war. Private Ernest, we're launching Operation Hands Off My Sister's Freddy. Objective, no kisses. Private Ernest, take cover! Ernest, look!
Huh? What?
Yeah. That's two. Reload. Yeah.
Oh, Freddy, you're such a great shot. Oh, Freddy, you're so good at dodging. You're totally the best.
Oh, Jennifer, take cover.
Private Ernest, the enemy is closing in on my sister's Freddy. We need a plan.
We take them from the rear, we grab their guns, we splat them with paint, and that's how we win. Over.
Ernest, we're not here to play paintball. I was talking about a no-kiss plan. So what do we do?
I have a great idea. Freddy gets his feet tangled in the strings, and that releases the peg, driving the catapult, which throws Freddy on the other side of the forest.
And then, all alone in the forest, Jennifer, heartbroken, will think she's been abandoned. Well done, Private Ernest.
But how do we attract the target?
I win.
Freddy, I'm scared. Do something.
Don't worry, you're in no danger. I'm the champ.
Huh?
Freddy? Freddy, are you okay, my poor honey?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Freddy?
You have nothing to fear. Freddy's here, and he's gonna protect you.
Wasn't it supposed to release the peg and drive the catapult to shoot Freddy up in the air?
Hello?
Hello, Freddy? I'm so sorry.
It's Coralie!
I decided to join you, my lovely quinoa. I miss you. Where are you? Freddy?
Did you hear that?
Hurry, hang up!
It must be the sound of my heart beating. Freddy, where are you? Freddy? Freddy! Who's laughing like that? It sounds like a whale. Is that Jennifer? Oh my God! Hello? 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 Freddy! Freddy! Hello? Freddy? Freddy? Is that you?
No, I'm Jack.
Look, Ernest, they're up there.
Oh, Freddy, this day is so perfect. Everything is awesome. The forest, the paintball, you.
Private Ernest, there's no time to lose. We have to bring the ultimate weapon.
Jennifer, you don't look so well.
I don't feel good.
I'd better bring you back home.
Thanks, Freddy.
Oh.
I'm gonna take care of you.
Oh, no!
Freddy! Freddy!
A monster!
Ernest, retreat!
Freddy! Freddy! Freddy? Freddy! Where is Jennifer? Did she just abandon you here?
Coralie? Oh, finally, you're here. Oh, my little kumquat, I missed you so much.
I miss you too, Freddy.
I missed you more.
No, I did.
No, I did.
No, I did.
No, I did.
Come on, I'm never gonna give you up ever again. I promise.
Mission accomplished! Ernest? Huh?
Your draw.
Hey, guys! Hey, best friend! Hey, best friend! I have the cuckoo craziest present for you right here! How cool! Look, I got a present for you, too! Happy Best Friends Day! Oh, great. Another pink unicorn. Yes, a top collectible. Not like your gun here. Really? Don't you like my present? I do, but it's just a common toy, whereas my unicorn is unique. Unique? I don't care about your unicorns for babies. Oh, yeah? Your gun is useless. You're the one that's useless. No, you are. No, you are. Then you're not my friend anymore. Well, you're not my friend anymore all the same.
Is it always like this when humans give each other presents?
Mom, I've lost my best friend in the whole world. Can you give me a hug, please? Coco, will you give me a hug now, right away?
Hold on, Rebecca's whining. As soon as I finish talking to Freddie, okay, Reb? Oh, Freddie, I can't. I'm babysitting today. Of course.
Just a little hug. Oh, Missile, please come hug. Nobody loves me.
Rebecca, don't worry. Your favorite microbe is going to fix your problem. Problem solved, Rebecca. I gave your mom a little hug bug. It's a little bit like...
Hugs! Hugs!
Lovely hugs. 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 Hugs.
I may have overdosed it a bit.
Hey, Mom, I'm meeting Freddie for...
Hugs. Hugs.
Hey, take it easy now.
This is not what I planned at all.
Hello, girls. How are you? Oh, what a welcome.
Oh, no! This is a disaster! Ah!
Hugs.
Operation Antidote.
Hugs.
Pickle? Check. Mega concentrated hot sauce? Check. Ah!
What just happened?
Well, since you wanted a little tenderness from someone, I decided to give your mom a little hug bug. A cute tiny virus that gives a longing for hugs. So yeah, it's contagious, and I kind of overdid the dose a little.
Hug, hug, hug.
You mega overdid the dose, didn't you, Ernest?
Hello, sir. Is Rebecca there?
Francis!
Hugs.
Great! What do we do now?
Well, in an ideal world, we could treat the huggers with an antidote based on pickles and hot sauce that stimulates microbe control.
Make it short.
Well, we ran out of both.
We just have to run down to the store and get some. Hi, Rebecca. You know, I was thinking about our argument earlier. I really don't have time now. You better get back home.
Weren't you a bit tough on Nadine?
Possibly, yes. But we have an entire town to rescue from a hug epidemic. We need equipment. Operation Pickles and Hot Sauce. Here we are. Oops, the store's closed on Sundays.
But why?
Stop it, Ernest. You'll attract the huggers. Ernest, help! She's going to hug me. Hug you? Why would I hug you? Wait. So you're not contaminated? What are you talking about? Contaminated by what? It's too long to explain. Basically, Ernest has spread a giga-contagious hugging disease.
But one that's easily cured by pickles and hot sauce.
This is the lamest excuse I've ever heard. Huggers! I know how to slow them down. Isn't that Cornelia? The very first unicorn I gave you? Yeah? Rhinocelia? My favorite unicorn! Let go of me! We don't have a choice!
Hey, can you find another moment to fight? Oh!
Thanks a lot, Nadine. We failed because of you. No, because of you. No, because of you.
Hey, look! There should be pickles and hot sauce there. But the huggers are blocking the entrance.
No, you. No, you. No, you. No, you.
I have an idea. If we give each other a hug, we'd look like huggers and could get into the Dino Diner.
Huh? Hugs, hugs, hugs,
Well done, girls. To think how you hated each other just now.
Bingo! With that, no more huggers.
It's ready.
And now, how do we get them to eat it? I know. We need to launch the pickles into their mouths. With this. Whoa, the toy gun I gave you. You kept it.
Yeah, Super, we're all friends. Can we hurry up a bit?
Nadine, load the gun launcher. You got it. Hurry!
We can't hold them much longer.
Done. Here, catch. Uh-oh. Oops. Nadine! Rebecca! No! Nadine! No! Nadine! Hugs! Hugs! Oh, no!
Hasta la vista, huggers.
Nadine, I wanted to say that even though we got mad at each other... You'll always be my best friend. I'll never forget true, Rebecca? I'll always be your best friend, even though I like unicorns? Even though you like unicorns.
Huh, Corley?
Mom?
Rebecca? But what happened here?
It was so lucky that everybody believed it was food poisoning.
Oh, I almost forgot. Here, Nadine, it's for Best Friends Day. Oh, a unicorn. Thanks, Rebecca. I'll call her Lunicorn. I've got a gift for you, too. It's so cool. Thanks, Nadine. Francis. This vacation is gonna be so mega boring.
Oh, no, darling. I'm sure you'll have lots of fun.
Oh, how could I have fun? Nadine's gone to stay with her grandma, and Francis is in the mountains. And even Corley's gone to summer camp.
Hey, girls, did you see? There's a moving van across the street. Looks like we're getting some new neighbors.
New neighbors! Yeah!
Be careful! Those cacti are fragile! I love them very dearly. I'm watching you.
Mrs. MacDowell?
Oh, what is your school principal doing here?
Gently with that. And look ahead where you're walking!
Hi, Mrs. MacDowell. What are you doing here?
Isn't it obvious? I'm moving into my new house.
This is your new house? But that's not possible.
Yes, it's possible. And this is confiscated. No scooting in my street. It's far too noisy.
You have no right. The street isn't yours.
Ah! Here or at school, I have every right.
Mrs. McDowell, are you our new neighbor? Oh, what a small world it is.
And indeed. Hi, hello. What were the odds?
Oh, that's incredible.
Oh, she'll make our lives miserable.
Why? She can even take us to school.
Teacher's pet, teacher's pet, teacher's pet.
Oh, no! We have to get rid of her. Don't you have a virus to make her leave? A sort of movitis?
What? A movitis? No, sorry, Rebecca. I don't have that in stock.
Oh.
I'm thrilled. I love my new house. It's perfect.
What if we made her house sick?
How? Why not?
Ready, Ernest?
I'm ready.
Operation MacDowell is a go. Be careful.
Yoo-hoo! Anybody there? So, hungry? Rebecca! Come on, hurry up!
Nice job. 3, 2, 1.
We're so lucky to have her as a neighbor.
Are you okay, Miss McDowell? Rats!
They're all over the house.
Something must have attracted them to your house.
Generally, once they get in, it's really hard to get rid of them.
Poor Mrs. MacDowell. She's gonna have to move already. That is so unlucky.
Come along, Rebecca. Miss McDowell isn't moving. She just needs to call pest control and she's good.
But during the vacation, that might take weeks.
Why don't you just move in with us in the meantime? Rebecca, come and help us carry her things. It won't take long.
There.
We'll be happy here, huh, Carlito? Finally, could have been faster.
It hurts.
Oh, did you prick yourself? Ooh, my poor dear. It could have been worse. Somebody could have let rats loose in your house. Believe me, Rebecca, you will pay dearly for this.
Hey, that's the helmet for my Captain V action figure. Give it.
Oh, do you mean that horrible plastic thing lying on the pavement? That it?
Huh? What? She must be brain bugged to do such a thing. Oh no, Captain V. We'll see which one of us will crack first.
Rebecca, whatever made you stick Miss McDowell's dentures together?
But I didn't do anything, I promise.
Don't lie to me, Rebecca. You've got glue all over your pajamas. No video games for a month. End of discussion.
A month?
Don't worry. My dad was a dentist.
Oh, this is all MacDowell's fault!
Hang in there, Rebecca. We'll get rid of her.
And how do you plan to do that? If Mom catches me again, I'll be grounded for 1,000,000 years. And so we're stuck with MacDowell and her lousy cactuses.
Mom has to get out of the house for a few hours so we can move into top gear.
Happy anniversary!
What are you talking about? It's not our anniversary.
Oh, yes, it is. It's the anniversary of the first time Sam invited you to a restaurant. Don't you remember?
I mean, but of course I remember.
So, what are you going to do to celebrate? Huh? Go to the movies? Maybe a great restaurant?
That's right. We should go out.
Yes, but what do we do with Rebecca?
True. We can't leave her on her own.
Well, I actually won't be alone. Mrs. McDowell will be here to look after me.
Really, Mrs. McDowell? Wouldn't that bother you?
No, of course not. You go ahead. Enjoy yourselves.
Yeah!
I don't know what you're scheming, but you won't have time to do it. Eat your soup and go to bed.
Oh, no, please. I don't want to go to bed right now. Please. I'm so scared of the scary ghosts.
What sort of nonsense is this, huh?
Didn't my mom tell you? Our house is haunted. There's a ghost that won't let us sleep at night.
I'll be the one haunting you if you don't go to bed right now. Huh? But where have my cacti gone? Huh? What now?
The ghost! It was just in there!
will not take this any... Oh. What are my cacti doing in here?
I told you, it's the ghost!
Stop your nonsense.
We need light. This neighborhood is bad.
I saw something.
We miss our old home.
Tell me what trick you're up to right now.
But it's not me! It's the ghost! It's the ghost, I tell you!
You are heading for a disciplinary action.
Knocked down! I am the great cactus spirit, and my cacti brothers are not happy about the move.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Why did you bring us here? Why? We must leave! Leave!
Oh, Sam, this evening was wonderful.
Oh, the big cactus ghost exists!
Calm down, Mrs. McDowell. What's happening to you?
The ghost is not happy. Not happy. I must leave. We all must leave.
Hey, it's not my fault. She's totally cuckoo crazy. Actually, I think she needs a vacation.
There, mission accomplished. Maybe we'll have a cool vacation now.